Imagine a world where electric cars are not just for cities, but for mountains, forests, deserts, and even the toughest off-road adventures. While Tesla was busy conquering highways, another company quietly prepared to conquer the wild. And that company is Rivian, the American EV maker that has set its sights on becoming the ultimate adventure brand in the electric revolution. Rivian was founded in 2009 by RJ Scaringe, a passionate engineer with a dream of building eco-friendly vehicles designed for adventure. At first, the company struggled with funding and went through several names before officially becoming Rivian. In 2017, a major turning point came when Rivian bought a huge factory in Normal, Illinois, which previously belonged to Mitsubishi, and this facility became the birthplace of Rivian's electric dreams. Unlike most EV startups that focused on city cars, Rivian wanted to build something different. Vehicles that could climb mountains, cross rivers, and handle rough trails while staying completely electric. Rivian's rise to fame wouldn't have been possible without some powerful backers. In 2019, Amazon shocked the auto industry by investing $700 million and placing an order for 100,000 custom electric vans. Soon after, Ford came forward with $500 million. And more recently, Volkswagen entered a massive $5.8 billion joint venture with Rivian, planning to use its advanced EV software and platform for future VW models. In 2021, Rivian went public on the stock market with one of the biggest IPOs in U.S. history, raising more than $13 billion. And from a small garage startup, Rivian had officially joined the big leagues. At the 2018 Los Angeles Auto Show, Rivian introduced two vehicles that turned heads, the R1T electric pickup truck and the R1S SUV, both bold, tough, and adventure-ready. Finally, in September 2021, Rivian delivered its first R1T, making history as the world's first all-electric adventure truck, even before Tesla's Cybertruck hit the market. Today, Rivian offers three main products: the R1T pickup for off-road lovers, the R1S SUV as a family-friendly powerhouse with seating for 7, and the Amazon EV vans designed to deliver packages quietly and efficiently. In 2025, Rivian raised the bar again with its new tri-motor versions of the R1T and R1S, cutting 0 to 60 miles per hour times to under 3 seconds, making them faster than many sports cars while still adventure-ready. But Rivian's most exciting chapter is still ahead. In 2026, the company plans to launch the R2, a midsize SUV priced much lower than the R1 models, opening doors for more customers, followed by the R3 compact crossover and its sportier version, the R3X, designed for young, energetic drivers. Future models like the R4 and R5 are also planned, which will take Rivian from a premium adventure brand to a true mass-market EV competitor. So from humble beginnings in 2009 to a billion-dollar IPO and a lineup of powerful EVs, Rivian's journey is nothing short of inspiring. And with strong investors, innovative designs, and a vision to bring adventure into the electric age, Rivian has become one of Tesla's strongest rivals. The only question is, will Rivian live up to its promise and truly change the future of electric vehicles? Tell us your thoughts in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more stories from the world of EVs.